Alright, this is range visit number 2 for the Radical Firearms 300 Blackout. This second range visit was from 100 meters using Fiocchi ammunition, 150 grain, and I wanted to put another 50 rounds to the weapon, bringing a total of 90. And I also wanted to dial in the Vortex Spark 2. I wanted to see what kind of accuracy I could get out of it, you know, with the 300 Blackout. And I think this all came together pretty good during this range visit. In the end, at the end of the video here, you'll see what kind of groups I was able to pull. I did a couple slow motion shots you'll see as we go through here. You can definitely see after that slow motion clip how the rifle goes straight back into your shoulder. The barrel stays very level, and you can see a little movement left and right after the shot, and that could have been me letting go of the weapon at that point. But the slow motion definitely helped me out as far as critiquing not only my hold on the weapon, but also the performance of the muzzle device. These last two clips show a really good ejection pattern for this rifle. You can see the brass being deflected and shot straight back about 4 or 5 o'clock. It's a consistent pattern. All the brass pretty much piles up there. The only real complaint I have so far is the fact that I don't have an end cap for my handguard. Maybe I can make something, I don't know, but it's just kind of a cosmetic thing that bothers me, and the fact that the Radical Firearms finish on this new product was less than desirable. But since I painted it, I guess ultimately it really doesn't matter. I guess it's the fit and function that's most important, and so far both of those have been fantastic. Well, this is the 100-meter target, and you can see that I have a couple pretty tight groups here. I have a 1-inch reference right there at the top portion of the 9 ring. Now, you know, that Spark 2 performed very well. These groups are pretty good for a 2 MOA dot. The red dot pretty much covers up the entire center mass portion of this target that's colored in with the blue marker. So I think overall the performance is what I would expect out of the Spark. I could probably narrow it down a little more if I had a scope, something with a little magnification, but I think for the purposes of this rifle, 0 to 200 meters, I think that this performance is fine. And you know, I'll continue to shoot it and maybe use some different ammunition to see if I can get some tighter groups. Maybe use the lead sled, see if I can get something to tighten up a little bit. But overall, I'm very pleased with the way this rifle's functioned. You know, and I have a couple of headshots here. You can see that even with a smaller target, we're still hitting. So, you know, no complaints thus far.